Thank you guys and welcome back to my English comprehension lesson. Today I have brand new vocabulary words. I have 20 definitions for you to pick the correct vocabulary word. But as always, before we get started, please like my page and hit that subscribe button down there for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated.
Following items, choose the word which most closely matches the definition. For example, a place where people live. The correct answer is house. To strike or hit gently. Tap. A device that sounds a warning. Alarm. The act or process of questioning. Inquiry. Person with a high degree of knowledge or skill. Expert. Empty, without any marks. Blank. A set of English letters. Alphabet. Distinguished. Excellent. Outstanding. Feeling of sympathy toward another person. Compassion. A brief look, an indication. Glimpse. To make someone scared or afraid. Frighten. Accuse someone of wrongdoing. Blame. To get in the way, prevent someone from doing a task. Interfere. Having a bumpy surface, not smooth. Rough. To spring or leap like a ball. Bounce. Covering a large area. Widespread. To discover the existence of something. Detect. To talk on and on without saying much. Ramble. One who breaks into a building and steals. Burglar. Qualifications or background. Credentials. Ability to handle difficult situations well. Finesse.
Thank you guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Practice what you learn. Pause the video. Don't forget to use your Google Translate if you're having some difficulties with some of the words. And also, guys, please make a comment on the video so I'll know if I'm doing things correctly to help you understand the English language better. And don't forget, to guys, to like my page and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you doing the next English exercise. Bye.